Welcome to F1 Blogs, your ultimate channel for everything Formula One, from breaking news and technical deep dives to driver insights and exclusive analyses. Whether you're a lifelong F1 fanatic or just starting to explore the world of motorsport, this is your home. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us as we cover the most thrilling stories in F1. Now, let's dive into today's big update. Fernando Alonso, at the impressive age of 43, remains one of the most enduring and accomplished drivers in Formula One. While legends like Rafael Nadal and Pau Gasol have retired from their sports, Alonso continues to represent Spain on a global stage. As he navigates the demanding F1 calendar, his determination and optimism shine brighter than ever. This week at the Las Vegas Grand Prix, Alonso opened up about the challenges his team faces, his hopes for the future, and how Aston Martin is positioning itself for a comeback. 2024, a tough season for Aston Martin. The current season has been anything but smooth for Aston Martin. Despite a strong start, the team's AMR24 has fallen behind in development. From being a solid midfield contender early in the year, they now find themselves struggling to even stay competitive, often battling near the back of the grid. Alonso candidly admitted that this year has been a learning curve for everyone in the team. It seems we've lost the performance we had at the beginning of the season. We are trying to understand the car's problems and identify what we need to improve for the future, he said. Adding to the turbulence, Aston Martin has undergone a significant shakeup in its leadership. The recent departure of Dan Fallows as technical director was a bold move aimed at addressing the team's stagnation. But Alonso sees this change as an opportunity rather than a setback. Building for the future, 2025 and beyond. The reorganization of Aston Martin's technical team is already underway, and the additions are nothing short of extraordinary. The most high-profile recruit is Adrian Newey, widely regarded as the best car designer in F1 history. Newey's involvement, starting in March 2025, has sparked renewed hope for the team. Other big names joining the ranks include Enrico Cardiel, formerly of Ferrari, who will oversee aerodynamics, and Andy Cowell, the mastermind behind Mercedes' dominant hybrid engines, who has taken on the role of general manager. Alonso acknowledged these changes as part of the team's natural growth and expressed confidence in owner Lawrence Stroll's vision. The team is focused on winning championships and races. We all support the decisions being made and believe they're for the best. Optimism despite setbacks. Despite the challenges, Alonso remains positive about the road ahead. He emphasized that the next 2 seasons will be critical. With 2025 marking the start of a fresh chapter under Newey's guidance, Aston Martin aims to be a strong contender when the 2026 regulation changes reset the playing field. It's crucial to learn from this season's mistakes, Alonso said. We need to take every possible shortcut to improve because there's no time to waste in F1. The off-season will be a chance to regroup and reset, and I hope next year we can see clear progress. Las Vegas GP, a unique opportunity. This weekend's race in Las Vegas presents an intriguing challenge for Alonso and Aston Martin. With its unique layout and colder conditions, the circuit could play to the team's strengths. The low temperatures will make tire performance critical, and our car heats up tires quickly, which is an advantage, especially in qualifying, Alonso explained. While he downplayed the chances of a podium finish, he remained hopeful for a strong points finish, aiming to be the 5th or 6th best car on the grid. A champion's legacy, supporting young talent. Beyond his own career, Alonso continues to invest in the future of motorsport through his management agency, A4 Team Management. One of its rising stars, Brazilian driver Gabriel Bortoleto, will make his F1 debut with Sauber in 2025. Alonso praised Bortoleto's readiness for the big stage, saying, "It's a great opportunity for him. F1 teaches you a lot in the early years, and I have no doubt he's prepared to learn and grow." This mentorship underscores Alonso's commitment not just to his own success but also to shaping the next generation of drivers. Closing thoughts, resilience and ambition. As the 2024 season nears its end, Alonso reflects on a year of trials but also sees potential for growth. His optimism is unwavering, his focus sharp, and his goals ambitious. While the podium may be out of reach for now, the Spaniard's determination to push Aston Martin to the top remains as strong as ever. That's it for today's deep dive on F1 blogs. Fernando Alonso's journey is a testament to resilience and passion, and his insights give us plenty to look forward to in the coming seasons. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with all the latest from the world of Formula 1, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to F1 blogs. Join us next time for more stories, updates, and exclusive content. See you on the track.